This program will provide guidance needed for proper installation and safety while using the hexcrimp pneumatic crimper. Installation is as simple as 1, 2, 3 because the hexcrimp pneumatic crimper comes fully assembled. First, mount the machine to a stable work surface. The hexcrimp pneumatic crimper can be mounted on a sturdy wood or steel benchtop. Make sure your mounting surface has a large enough base to prevent tipping. Your surface should also be adequate to support the machine and other tools and workpieces. Second, fasten the machine to the benchtop with 3 appropriate 3/8" fasteners at the 3 mounting points. Last, connect your air source to the filter regulator. You are now ready to use the hexcrimp pneumatic crimper. The air supply should be 80 to 100 psi. As always, safety should be a primary concern when operating this machine. Be sure to read and understand the instruction manual and all safety labels before operating this machine. There are several key safety points to remember. Never place your hand or any part of your body in between the dies. Never operate this machine without safety guards in place. The machine will not operate unless the safety guards are down. Never ride the foot pedal or foot switch. Never rest your foot on top of the foot pedal or inside the foot switch. Remove your foot completely from the foot switch after each cycle. Never perform maintenance unless the air supply is disconnected. And as with other machinery, be sure to wear safety glasses while operating this machine. For more information, please see additional programs on operation and maintenance as well as other related programs.